Hi guys, so let's understand first how to install our TradeView Pro indicator onto your new TradingView account or your on existing TradingView account. So once you logged in onto your TradingView account after sign up or after logged in, you can go onto your My Account section where you can see your ID. This ID you have to share with us so that we can pass on the access based on the subscription program which you have purchased. Let's suppose we passed on the access and post that we will give you access granted confirmation that access has been given as per your subscription, whatever subscription you're eligible for. It means that the access has all now been given and now you all have to install our indicator onto your existing TradingView account. For that there are two methods. First method, we have to go onto any of the chart. Sorry, bear with me. So let's go to market and search for any chart. Let's suppose gold chart. We have to search and launch onto our new TradingView account, and it's already installed into me, but I'll remove this and also let you know how to install from a fresh onto your fresh account. So first method is where we have to go and search for Exam Trade Edge Pro. So you can see Exam Trade Edge Pro is coming. Let us check the name of our indicator. So we have to find this. So we can see exam hyphen trade edge pro hyphen indicator is the name of the indicator. Now once you search onto your trading view account, you will get a symbol like this that the access has been given. It's in green. What you not just don't have to do anything. You have to favorite this indicator and you have to click onto this, and this will get implemented onto your chart like this. So you can see that the indicator is installed. It started giving buy or sell signal. If in case it's not showing any signal or it's not getting installed properly, just close the TradingView account and restart. It will start working normally. Second method to install is that you'll also get a link from our side into the messages, and if you open that link you'll come onto this page. So this is the indicator page. You might have seen that your access is already granted, or if not, no worries. What you have to do is to click use on chart. If you click on use on chart, it will also get implemented onto your chart. See, it's got implemented twice because I also installed from a method one. So method two is very easy. You just have to click on the link. Don't have to search anything and all, and you can accordingly click here and also set this indicator for alert. You can also add it for any custom alert which you want to create over TradingView, and you can do some setting changes and all as per your requirement. Major setting changes and everything we will let you know onto our next video. Thank you.